Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Should students who misbehave frequently get rewarded to be good? I think we do too much of that. I think rewarding kids for doing things that they should do anyway is a bit much. There are reasonable expectations, and everybody should be able to follow them. Standard operating procedures. If you're the kid who always runs down the hall, and then, I don't want to reward you every time you stop running because you learn a dependence on that. And then every little thing is going to become a rewardable action. So, no, I'm not going to give them a lot of rewards because they misbehave frequently. I'm going to keep my expectations clear. I'm going to coach. I'm going to remind. And hey, if they all of a sudden turn the corner and they start doing super well, I can say, hey, you know what? You have done an amazing job going from class to class, and getting in lines this week. So you know what? Today, you'll be my special helper. So make it a little bit more like that versus training a child to expect a reward. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.